In the previous lesson, we learned how to create a Python project in Replit, and we created our first program, which printed a Hello World message to the console. In this video, we will learn about variables, one of the most important topics in Python. Let's start. Let's go back to the main page by clicking here, and let's create a new project called Variables. Don't forget to select Python as the programming language. The project is now created and we are ready to write some code. As I said before, in this video we will be learning about variables. So, what is a variable? We use a variable when we want our program to remember something. You can think of a variable like a container or a jar where we store something. In Python, we create a container in the computer memory to store some data, for example, a number if we want to use it in our program. That's a variable. We allocate a small piece of the RAM memory of the computer to store a value we need our program to remember. For example, let's say we want our program to remember my weight, which is 80 kilos. How can we do that? We type the following command. Weight is equal to 80. That's it. So, what does this command say to the computer? Create a container in the memory to store a number and give it the label weight. The name of the variable we created in this case is weight, but since it is just a label for the container, it can be anything we want. For example, we could name it W to type fewer characters. Or we could name it Nick or Jack or anything we want. It is a good practice though to give the variables descriptive names as we did in this example. Now let's run the command and see what happens. We hit the run button here and as you can see nothing happens. Why? The command created a small container in the computer memory and put the value 80 in it. The container got a label from us and that label was weight. All the magic happened in the computer memory and we didn't instruct the computer to print something. So let's give the computer another command to print my weight to the screen. We type a new command after the first one. Print, open parenthesis, weight, close parenthesis. The command tells the computer, go to the memory, find the container with the label weight, and print the value it contains to the console. Now our program contains two lines of code, and the program will execute both lines one after another. So we hit run and we see it prints the number 80 to the console. Cool! We just used our first variable. We have just taken another big step. One cool thing about variables is that we can change the value they contain as many times as we want. So let's say my weight changed and it is now 75 kilos. To change the value the variable contains, we can simply type weight is equal to 75. The computer knows that there is already a container in the memory with a label weight, so it will remove the number 80 from it and it will put the number 75 in it. We can now add another print command to print the new value. Print, open parenthesis, weight, close parenthesis. We hit run and we now see two numbers printed, 80 and 75. Cool, our program works. Now, let's practice our new knowledge with a simple exercise. Create a new program that will print the current date in numerical form. We need three variables, one for the year, one for the month, and one for the day of the month. After creating all the variables, we need to print them on the screen one after another. Now, pause the video and try this exercise by yourself. When ready, resume the video to see the solution. Please pause the video and try this exercise now. It is the only way to learn to program. Simply watching me program won't help you, trust me. Okay, I hope you had no difficulty with the exercise. Let's create three variables and give them some values. Year is equal 2022, month is equal to 3, and day is equal to 21, for example. And we can print them using three print commands: print day, print month, print year. We hit run and the day is printed in 3 lines. Great! Now, let's see a small trick to make this look better. The print command can print more than one variable at once in the same line if we separate them with commas. For example, the command print open parenthesis day, comma, month, comma, year, close parenthesis, will print the date in one line. Cool. That's it for this video. In the next video, we are going to see how to store different types of things to variables and how to use them.